Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add icon list block on WordPress page or post using Spectra page builder. So what we'll do is we will first go to dashboard, and then here in plugins we will add new plugin for Spectra page builder. So just type in Spectra within the search. It should show you the Spectra plugin. You can install and activate it, and once you do that you can go to settings, then Spectra, right? And here within blocks extension you can find icon list, right? So here you see icon list. So to see that in action we can go to one of the page or post and we will edit it, right? So find the place where you wish to experiment with this particular icon list. So I'll choose the bottom of post, click on plus sign to check for a spectrum block. So here we will add the icon list. So here you see it says list item, right? So let's see option 1, option 2, then option 3, right? So these are 3 different lists. As you can see, collectively there is a big block here. You can also see that can add a new one. Simply let me first select this. You can add that, right? Keep on adding elements, right? So let's add option 4, right? So we have like 4 list with custom icons. You can select the preset that will also change the way these icons look, right? You can also keep on adding from the center of the list. So let's go with something simple. Now let's try and change the icon, right? So let's say if I pick something like, let's say, checkbox, right? So I'm not sure whether we have those icons. We can also pick the simple ones, some currency symbols if you want, right? Alternatively, as you can see, these are the type of checkboxes I was looking for. So now that we got it, we can select the entire block again and we can experiment with the content. We can make it horizontal or vertical, right? Can align them top, middle, bottom, hide labels, right? And finally we will update this to see how it looks on page, right? So on page you can see that at the bottom you have like 1 2 3 4 options, and you can check those options, right? If we save the page, that will be a lot easier to edit and view as well, right? So these are some of the options that you can use with your icon list block. There isn't much there apart from this. So for most of the tutorials or maybe for productivity blog or content, you can use this type of icon list block.